Hello. Hi, I am so sorry for coming into your room like this, but I'm a student and I was wondering if it would be okay with you if I practice your vital signs. I know it's getting late and you're probably getting tired, but you don't have to do anything, I promise. I just heard you're a really nice patient, to be honest, and I kind of wanted to see if you would be okay with that. Okay, cool. Do you mind if I ask your first name? I'm just practicing history taking. And how old are you? Cool. So your date of birth is? Awesome. Oh, I love that. What are you, an Aquarius? We're besties already. Okay. Cool. And then I did see what you were admitted for. We don't have to go into all of that. Are you feeling okay right now? Are the medications working? Cool. And yeah, I'm just gonna be taking like your blood pressure and your temperature and just logging that in. Do you know how tall you are? Okay. Do you know how much you weigh? I'll have to put that in the BMI calculator to see what that is. I don't really know. All right. Any issues with obtaining your blood pressure in the past, or? Okay. And then any history of fever, chills, anyone around you diagnosed with COVID, flu? Okay. You were so kind. Thank you for answering these annoying questions. Okay. Allergies. And what happens when you have that? Gotcha. Understood. Okay. Alrighty. I feel like that's all I need. There's so many papers attached to this clipboard, but I feel like that should be it. Okay. So I'm just gonna put this to the side. Okay. I'm going to sanitize my hands first. We'll put some gloves on. And get everything going. Let me know if you have any questions or concerns or feedback on my care. Do you have an arm preference? A lot of people don't. I'm just making sure. So I'm just going to set up a little station by you, if that's okay. Just more of like a sterile area that we can work with. I'll need some gloves, and we have my blood pressure cuff and my temperature materials here. Put that there. Cool. Okay, I think I'm ready, so I'm just gonna put some gloves on. Maybe I should sanitize my stethoscope first. I'm sure you'd probably appreciate that. Sorry. I think it's still okay. It's fine. Cool. Give that some time to dry here. Let me grab my blood pressure cuff. Just gonna slide this through your arm. Does that feel nice and tight there, or does it seem like it needs adjusting at all? Here, let me reattach this. Seems okay? Okay. Just making sure, just want you comfortable. All right, give me 1 second here. Okay, blood pressure does appear normal at 114/78, so that's great news, right? Let me get the extra air out for you. Okay, and I am just going to detach this part here. I'll just kind of roll this up, put it in here, and then I'll take the cup off of you. At this point, we should be able to slide it off your arms. Just slide it out. There you go. And the cup is all good. Okay. And we should be good to go with that. Let me just write down your blood pressure before I forget. That is your manual, not electric, because we're fancy. Okay. Okay. Now let's get your temperature. So everything's set up here. Now this is a sublingual, so it goes underneath your tongue. This is going to go right underneath your tongue. It's a little old, so you do gotta wait a little bit. I apologize. Sorry, it's being a little funny. Give me a reading. You're doing great. Just kind of keep doing that, yeah. Come on. Hello. Okay. Yep, it looks like no fever, so that's awesome. It's the little wins in life, am I right? Let's just sanitize and disinfect that. Put that back in here. Perfect. Let me throw this out. Let me write your temperature down. Beautiful. Well, oh, and that was in Fahrenheit. Well, that was all I needed for your vitals today. Thank you so much. I'm so sorry again for interrupting your slumber. Let me remove all my materials from you here, just so you can rest comfortably. Let me move that. My temperature stuff. Pad here for you. Apologies again, and I really appreciate your patience. Okay, I'm all done with these. I'm just going to re-sanitize here. Do you have any questions or feedback for me? I'm glad to hear that. You'd like to rest now. Yeah, no, I totally get it here. Let me recover you there. All right, perfect. I am just going to take your chart, and I will stop bothering you, and I'll make sure I put like a do not disturb on your door or something like that.